Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how I was able to set up my Most AI agent on Most AI and how I was able to input all the parameters, set them up, and they are making it. The particular agent is making profit for me ever since the day I built it. So and after setting it up, a lot of people have been asking me, bro, how were you able to do this? And I decided to write a thread on it, and I want to talk about certain things that you have to take into cognizance while setting up your Most AI agent. So if you want to know how to get started with signing up on Most and creating your account, just come to my X account, defy_dynamo01, to see my pin post. On the pin post you find how to set up your account, how to create account on Most. Very simple. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be going straight to the section where I want to lay emphasis on, which is how to prompt the AI. So prompting the AI is very simple, just like you've seen in this screenshot. While I was creating the trading bot, I was actually taking screenshots of every damn step I took. So I just prompted this AI. I said create an agent that can spot fair value gaps and valid order blocks, and go either long or short depending on whether it is a bullish or bearish order block. So this AI actually understood what I mean, and then it has to restructure the question to, I can help you set up a smart money concept trading agent focused on fair value gaps and order block. It will trade bi-directional long or short based on bullish and bearish order blocks. Let's configure your preferred market, risk style, and time frame. So and after that, it now asks me if I wanna backtest the mode first before I go real time. So I just chose real time. You understand, because this is still the testnet phase. So but if it's a mainnet, it is advisable for you to first of all backtest the model to see how the performance is, you understand, before you go real time, before you start trading it with your funds, you understand. So after inputting your prompt, the AI will ask you certain questions to understand better your trading strategy, you understand. So the first question was, which asset do you want to trade? Because in the prompt I didn't mention any asset, so it asked me which asset, and I said USBTC and BTC USDC. And each question will come with options to choose from. Then it asked me what is your overall trading style, and I said extreme high return and drawdown, you understand. And then what is your market direction? I chose neutral, which is bi-directional. It can either go long or short, you understand. And I chose an indicator that the AI agent will use. I chose a moving average and trend following, so that it can follow trend. When the market is going up, is in an uptrend, it will go long. When the market is in downtrend, it will go short, And then the second page is the follow-up questions. How to would you like it to lock in profit? Yes, because I would like it to lock in profit for me, a fixed amount of profit, you understand. Then what should the bot do when trend shifts? When market becomes choppy, should the bot close the market, and whether in loss or profit? I said the risk. The risk means to reduce the amount, the margin, you understand. If the market is going in a choppy, no direction, not going up, not going down, it is ranging, meaning that it can actually break above or break below, So I would like it to, at that point, the risk such that it will either close half of my margin, such that if the trade is going to go in in my opposite direction, I won't lose much. You understand? That's why I chose the risk and reduce the size. You understand? So, and that is actually a good thing to do for you. You understand? And I've explained the reason. Then enable compounding after profits. Yes, if it makes profit for me, I would like the agent to use part of the profit to enter trade again. You understand? So it will increase my margin as time goes on. My margin will keep increasing provided the agent is in profit, to keep increasing my margin size, my position size, to make more profit for me. And then it also asks me if I want to enable weekly evaluation. Yes, so it means that at the end of every week the agent will evaluate its performance for the week and see if there is need for a change to tweak the tactics that it's using to approach the market in a way that it will make it become more profitable. So this is actually a very nice feature of the AI agents. Means that it has that evolution tendency. It's not just a static agent. The agent has the ability to evolve. It can learn from its mistakes and act on it to avoid them the next time. And each weekly evaluation, you would also have to view them yourself. If that is not what you want for yourself, you can actually reset it the way you want it. So, and then the last thing, that after setting up, after answering the questions, the AI will now give you a detailed uh, view of all the basic information of the agent, what the agent will be doing for you basically. So you see that the direction and risk 50% long, because I chose buy neutral. It can go long, or short for me. Then my leverage, base leverage is 20%, maximum leverage is 40%, risk per trade is 15%, then maximum position size is 80%, entry and exit, under entry and exit you see 25%, and exit threshold 12%. You see half of it, approximately half of the entry threshold, meaning that in the case of de-risking, the one I set option that it can de-risk or to minimize the losses, the exit threshold could be 12% at some point if the market becomes choppy. You understand? That's why you see 12% here. Then stop loss ATR, this is stop loss and take profit. You find 2 and 2.5 ratio. And then it says trailing stop. Yes, I chose trailing stop such that if the market is going in my favor and I'm in profit, the AI agent will keep locking 5%, 5% as the market advances in my position, in my preferred direction. It will keep locking 5%, 5% profit, such that if the market reverses against me, I will not go back in loss, meaning that the 5% it has been locking for me will go in as my profit. This is actually a perfect is another important settings that you have to input while setting your agent. You won't like a situation whereby the agent must have done 5% for you and it will still hold the trade, and you go back in loss. It doesn't make sense to keep locking 5%, 5% while you are advancing in profit. So then another okay, so after viewing the whole I think I have not said something about this particular second stage of it. So you just follow up and see both the technical signal, everything. It will analyze everything. If there's anything you don't like in the output, the overall view of what the agent will be doing for you, you can reset them and choose the ones you want. Then after that, you deploy the agent. Once you deploy the agent will start trading. To start trading, start using the strategy you have already imputed, to start using it for the trade, meaning that So right now I'll be showing you this particular AI agent is trading Atom for me. It's using the RSI scalper. So this particular agent, since the time I deployed it, it has been in profit. Maximum profit has been 266%, and the current trading that it's on is $91 in profit already. So you can after setting up your agent, you can come to the preview section to see your agent. If there is anything, if maybe at some point you don't like how the agent is trading, you want to reset some things, you can come down to the preview section to see things, to see the setup, the agent setup. If there's anything you want to change, you can reset it. You can use the reset button. Here is the reset button. Use the reset button to reset it, and then set the parameters the way you want them, the way you want. If there is any correction, if there's anything the agent is not doing well, and if by any time you are tired of any agent, you don't like the way the agent is trading, or you've made enough profit with the agent, you can take profit and then close the agent or delete it, as the case may be. So this is basically how to navigate through the MOS and how to set up your agent, how to the questions that the agent will ask you while setting it up will determine how good the agent will be, how profitable the agent will be for you. So all these questions that it will be asking, that's why I laid emphasis on all these ones. Pay attention to them while imputing them. Impute them carefully in order not to set an agent that will waste your money in the market. So I believe this video is helpful. I think you understand. I believe you understand the things I've explained. If you find it very interesting, do well to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. AI agents, especially the one on MOS, is very good. They are very, very good. I've tried it. Actually, MOS is still on testnet, and from what I've seen so far, definitely I'll be using it on mainnet to trade. Understand? For it to have made profit for me consistently from the very day I set it up till now, shows that most AI agents are very good. So I'll definitely be trying it out on mainnet. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all.